Hi guys, there is a heavy letter in Arabic alphabet. Would you like to know more? Just follow me. Hello everyone, Saif here and a new video with Arabic with Saif. In the previous lessons, we have covered 11 letters in Arabic alphabet. Today, with 4 more letters, let's do it. Each 2 letters, they look alike. Same family. First letter and number 12 in Arabic alphabet is letter Seen. 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 Good news, guys. This letter has English counterpart, which is letter S. Same sound to letter S in English word 7. It's easy to pronounce and write. Let's see first how to write it. Make a curved W and add a big dip underneath the line on the left side. Repeat after me. Seen, seen, seen. S. The second letter and number 13 in Arabic alphabet is letter Sheen. 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 Another good news, this letter has English counterpart, which is SH. Same sound for SH in the English word ship. It's easy to pronounce and write. Let's see first how to write it. As you can see, same shape for letter Seen. Just make a curved W and add a big dip under the line on the left side. Then add a triangle 3 dots on top of the letter. Same 3 dots formation that we have used before in letter Tha. Remember? Repeat after me. Sheen, sheen, ship. Another 2 more letters today, which are look-alike, also same family. But the following 2 letters sound doesn't exist in English language. Third letter and number 14 in Arabic alphabet is letter Saad. 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 We can say this letter is heavier or stronger version of letter Seen. We should say it with a constricted throat, because to say Saad correctly, you need to lift the back of your tongue to the roof of your mouth. It's deeper and heavier than letter S. Not sa, but sa, sa. Saad. Let's see how to write it. Start with a curve on top of the line, then attach it with a semicircle underneath the line. Repeat after me. Saad. 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 Okay, let's move to the real heavy letter today. Last letter and number 15 in Arabic alphabet is letter Daad. 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 We can say this letter is also the heavier version of letter Dal, because letter Daad is produced through the gush of air behind the tongue. Daad is a unique sound because it's only existing in Arabic language. That's why we call Arabic the language of Daad. That means you should say it deeper and heavier than letter D in English. Not da, but da. Daad. Daad. Let's see how to write it. Same as Saad, just start with a curve on top of the line, then attach it with a semicircle under the line and put dot on top. So the only difference between Saad and Daad is the dot that comes on top of the symbol. Repeat after me. Daad. 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 Now let's practice how to say some words. But again, we will mix letters between today's lesson and the previous one. Dal. Alif. Ra. Dal. Alif. Ra. Da. A. Ra. Da. A. Ra. Dar. 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 Another word. Daad. Alif. Ra. Daad. Alif. Ra. Da. A. Ra. Da. A. Ra. Dar. Dar. ضار. Another word. صاد باء راء. صاد باء راء. صا باء راء. صا باء راء. صبر صبر صبر. Alright, here we have reached to the end of this lesson. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, stay ready and confident. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out my videos for more, and there is the subscribe button. Perhaps you can learn more and more. Alright, get you guys next lesson. Salam.